crew makes a Coriolis sensor, I don't think it makes sense.
A ship traveling through the gas cloud creates oscillation in the atmosphere. These are converted into rotational motions by
Coriolis forces, which the NavCom detects automatically.
marking Coriolis force readings would allow us to triangulate movement inside the gas giant. We can track the Gorn.
You just turned a compass into a radar.
Okay.
Okay.
What's the problem here?
Okay, so there's a ship moving through a brown dwarf's atmosphere.
Yep.
Causing oscillations, vibrations through the atmosphere. And then those
I'm okay with that.
Okay, those small vibrations are then getting deflected by the Coriolis force,
It's
which
true.
then the Enterprise, which is also in the atmosphere, detects and is able to use that to pinpoint the location of the Gorn ship. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Coriolis forces, as far as I understand, need long distances.
Wait,
to even
first,
see
what's
subtle
Coriolis
motion.
first?
Let's look it up. So Coriolis force. Coriolis effect. Okay, let's go to Wikipedia. In physics, the Coriolis force is a fictitious force that acts on objects in motion within a frame of reference that rotates with respect to an inertial frame. Okay, that did not.
Okay, so it's not a real force. It's not two things actually like pushing on each other. It's the fact that they exist in a planet or a disk that's spinning.
Mm-hmm.
So so because of the spinning motion, and if things are moving linearly on a spinning object, it looks like there's a force that's making it do curvy stuff.
Right. Okay. So this is a good visualization. This is like a hurricane or something on Earth, big storm.
Okay.
And if the Earth was not spinning, then this storm, the wind would be going out of the storm or into the storm, and it would look like a circle with winds going in or out. But since the Earth is spinning, when the winds push outward from the storm, they also get deflected into a spiral.
Oh.
So that's the Coriolis force. But it takes huge distances for this spiral to show up. If you're standing in the storm, it feels like a linear wind.
Because the Coriolis effect is a very small effect.
Mm-hmm.
You only notice it on big scales. I see.
Yeah. So the wind over many, many tens, hundreds of miles starts to get deflected, and it goes into a spiral.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's the Coriolis force. Kind of a physics concept.
Yep.
So there's these ripples caused by the ship, which then get deflected, and this can't be over the ripples caused by the ship have to be small. And we're talking about a brown dwarf. We're talking about a brown dwarf. Brown dwarf is about Jupiter size. So here's a picture of Jupiter we got. Mm-hmm. Okay, and here's the Earth. The Earth is about 3 Earths fit into the giant red spot on Jupiter. This is about the size of a brown dwarf. Okay, so that means there's a ship. There's a ship right there.
Well, the ship is like 3 pixels. Yeah.
I mean, a 3-pixel ship is an enormous ship. This thing is teensy weensy on this.
I see.
Sub tiny percentages of a pixel.
Gosh.
And it's moving through this brown dwarf, and it's got a ripple. And no, we're not detecting the ripple. We're detecting the deflection of the ripple. And look at all these Coriolis forces going on with all these turbulence and deflections and
like almost Earth-sized turbulence. And then you get a little ship going through there, which will cause its own turbulence. You'll see behind the ship, the wind will be all twisty, weird stuff. And then you're saying that this twisty, weird stuff gets a little bit of curve because of the planet spinning. That's tiny. That's so tiny.
Right. And this
the
is
turbulence
so
is enormous compared to the Coriolis effects.
This is one of those enhanced pictures of Jupiter, and this
from
is the
a
chaos.
different angle. Yeah. No way are you seeing a ship through there, much less the turbulence and the Coriolis effect.
Right.
No way.
Because keep in mind, the Earth is like the size of this white thing right here. So a ship is like, no way. Because you're detecting the Coriolis force, which is like meters tops of deflection of a ripple in a gas amongst this chaos. No way.
We've seen already in this series that the ship's computers are not that good. Not this good.
I don't even know. That would be, and just also keep in mind, the Enterprise is also in the atmosphere, so it's like cutting through the atmosphere,
right?
Looking for that deflection. So if the Enterprise is like over here, which is like hundreds of thousands of kilometers away from the ship over here. It's going through the gas, which is cloudy and turbulent, and seeing a deflection. Absolutely
no chance. No chance.
No chance.
No way
No
does
chance.
this ship have the computer to do this.
I think it makes no sense.
It would need to know like where every gas atom, every gas molecule is on the planet. Like, no chance. No chance.
No chance. No chance.